Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the latest cosmic portrait from the James Webb Space Telescope. Get ready to be amazed by the dwarf galaxy NGC 4449. Located 12.5 million light-years away in the constellation of Canes Venatici, also known as the Hunting Dogs, NGC 4449 has quite a lot in common with our own Large Magellanic Cloud, or LMC. Both are small, irregular galaxies with a distinctive central bar. But unlike the LMC, which has a single intense star-forming region, NGC 4449 is undergoing a starburst across its entire length and breadth. So, what exactly is a starburst? It's when the molecular hydrogen gas in a galaxy gets stirred up by a gravitational interaction or a collision with another galaxy, sparking intense star formation. NGC 4449 is part of the M94 group of about 24 galaxies, making it rich in potential interactions. In 2012, a collaboration led by David Martinez Delgado from the Max Planck Institute found evidence of such an interaction. They discovered a stream of stars pulled from a smaller galaxy that was consumed by NGC 4449. This interaction has caused turbulence in NGC 4449's molecular gas, leading to the formation of numerous young star clusters. The latest images from the JWST, using its near-infrared camera, NIRCam, and mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, reveal different features of NGC 4449. NIRCam highlights newly born clusters of hot stars and dusty tendrils, marking star-forming regions, while MIRI captures the dusty skeleton of the galaxy, dense around the central bar. Within the dust captured by MIRI, we see polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAHs. These carbon-based molecules are key to cosmic chemistry and spread organic material across the galaxy. Bright yellow areas in the MIRI image indicate active star formation, while bright blue spots are sparkling stellar bodies. NGC 4449 offers a glimpse into what might one day happen to the LMC if its interactions with the small Magellanic Cloud or even our Milky Way become too intense. It's also a modern-day version of the small galaxies the JWST has found existed in the early universe, which were the building blocks of the larger galaxies we see today. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating space content. See you in the next one.